If you're looking to make your YouTube videos look more professional, the right lighting can make a massive difference, from harsh shadows and flat faces to crisp, cinematic-looking visuals. Below are 8 excellent lighting options available on Amazon, ranging in price and style, along with a short buying guide to help you know what to look for. Want to know the latest price? Just hit the link in the description below. Pack LED Video Light Kit by Vidi. If you're serious about creating professional quality videos without breaking the bank, the Vidi 2-pack LED Video Light Kit is a must-have. Each light panel features 356 LED beads with adjustable color temperatures ranging from 2,800 Kelvin to 6,500 Kelvin, ensuring perfect lighting whether you're shooting warm, cozy indoor scenes or bright, crisp professional setups. With a high CRI of 97+, this kit guarantees accurate color rendering, making your footage look true to life. The USB-C powered design allows easy plug-and-play use with laptops, power banks, or phone adapters, making it perfect for YouTubers, streamers, and photographers on the go. Plus, the lightweight aluminum tripod adjusts up to 73 inches, giving you full control over your lighting angles and height. Pros: adjustable brightness, 10 to 100%, and 3 color modes for versatile lighting. Lightweight, portable design with included carrying bag, USB-C powered, compatible with phones, laptops, or power banks. High CRI, 97+, ensures true, natural color output. Cons: doesn't include a wall charger, you'll need a 5-volt 2-amp adapter. Plastic light housing could feel a bit delicate for heavy studio use. Pack LED Video Light Kit by K-Masic. The K-Masic 2-pack LED Video Light Kit is a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their lighting setup for YouTube videos, podcasts, or photography. With a wide color temperature range from 2,500 Kelvin to 8,500 Kelvin, this kit lets you easily switch between warm, neutral, and cool tones to match any environment. Each 15-watt light panel offers 10 brightness levels, 10 to 100%, and a high CRI of 97+, ensuring accurate, vibrant color reproduction for professional-looking results. The included 63-inch adjustable tripod provides excellent stability and flexibility, while the 180-degree swivel head makes it easy to direct light exactly where you need it. Plus, K-Masic includes a 5-volt 3-amp USB adapter, a thoughtful bonus often missing in other kits. The large light panel size also gives off soft, even illumination, ideal for creators seeking a natural look on camera. Pros: wide color range, 2,500 Kelvin to 8,500 Kelvin for different lighting moods. High CRI 97+ with smooth brightness control. Includes USB adapter and carry case. Large light panel provides better light spread and coverage. Adjustable tripod up to 63 inches with 180-degree rotation. Cons: not suitable for use with power banks. Brightness weakens noticeably. Slightly bulkier than other portable light kits. LOMTAP 35-watt LED Studio Light Kit. The LOMTAP Light for video recording and photography kit is designed for creators who want professional-grade lighting without breaking the bank. Featuring 35-watt LED panels with a high CRI of 95+, this setup ensures that your skin tones, colors, and product details appear vibrant and true to life. The light offers 10 brightness levels, 10 to 100%, and 3 color temperatures, 3,000 Kelvin, 4,500 Kelvin, 6,000 Kelvin, allowing full control over your lighting environment, whether you're shooting warm indoor scenes or cool daylight-style videos. The 6.5-foot adjustable stand and 360-degree phone holder make it ideal for YouTubers, podcasters, makeup artists, and TikTok creators who need flexible positioning. It also includes a carrying bag for easy transport, plus an LCD control screen and memory function that save your last used settings for quick setups. Pros: powerful 35-watt output with bright, even illumination. High CRI 95 plus for accurate, natural color tones. 3 color modes and 10 brightness levels for flexibility. Sturdy 6.5-foot stand and rotatable phone holder included. LCD screen with memory function for convenience. Energy-efficient LEDs with up to 50,000 hours of lifespan. Cons: not available for shipping to all regions. Slightly heavier setup compared to compact USB light kits. Mionandi 2-pack LED video light kit. The Mionandi 2-pack LED video light kit is a compact yet creative lighting solution for beginners and hobbyists who want professional results without investing heavily. Each light offers 3 adjustable color modes: warm, natural, and cool, and 4 creative color filters: yellow, green, blue, red. Perfect for adding artistic flair to your videos or photos. Whether you're shooting TikTok clips, gaming streams, or close-up product shots, this light kit helps set the mood and highlight details beautifully. The adjustable telescopic stand, 22 inches to 37.5 inches, allows flexible positioning, and the angle can be tilted easily to achieve the perfect lighting direction. Its compact design saves desk space, while the built-in phone/tablet holder at the base adds convenience for live streaming or recording sessions. Pros: 3 lighting modes, with adjustable brightness for versatile use. 4 color filters for creative, atmospheric lighting effects. Compact and sturdy stand with built-in phone holder. Easy USB-powered setup, plug and play. Perfect for beginners, vloggers, and desk-based creators. Cons: limited brightness compared to high-wattage studio kits. Stand height may be short for large-scale setups. Skytech Softbox Lighting Kit 1 to 2-pack, 16 by 16-inch softbox. The Skytech Softbox Lighting Kit is a professional-grade setup designed for photographers, videographers, and content creators who want bright, even, and adjustable lighting. With a 135-watt LED bulb offering 2,700 to 6,400 Kelvin color temperature and a 98 CRI rating, it delivers crisp, true-to-life lighting that enhances every shot. The kit includes a durable 16 by 16-inch softbox, an adjustable 68-inch aluminum stand, remote controls, and a carrying bag, making it ideal for studios, live streaming setups, or on-the-go shooting. Its 210-degree adjustable lamp holder and remote dimming options provide flexibility and control for any creative environment. Pros: bright and adjustable. 135-watt LED with 2,700 to 6,400 Kelvin color range. High CRI 98. Ensures accurate and natural colors. Remote control for brightness and temperature adjustment. Adjustable tripod and flexible light angles. Portable and easy to set up with carrying bag included. Cons: remote control batteries not included. Slightly higher shipping costs for international buyers. Some users may find the 16 by 16-inch softbox smaller than expected. So, which of these lights do you think would make your videos look the most professional? Let me know your favorite in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss more YouTube gear tips like this one.